Are you torn between BrandiFly, Synthesia, and Pictory for product videos? Let's break it down for e-commerce sellers. Synthesia is great for corporate explainers. Pictory, it's solid for blog to video content. But if you're an e-com seller, Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify, BrandiFly was built for you. It transforms product images into scroll-stopping videos with avatars, voiceovers, price tags, and more. You don't need editing skills, studios, or monthly fees. Unlike Synthesia and Pictory, BrandiFly gives you a one-time license, 100+ templates, and a drag-and-drop setup perfect for short-form promos. If you're creating videos to sell, not just explain, BrandiFly delivers faster, cheaper, and more sales-focused results. Want to see it in action? Click the link below to explore BrandiFly.